Hello and welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. I'm your astrologer N Baksh, and today we're here with some exciting news about a major shift in planetary positions that could bring significant relief and positivity to your life. Mars, which has been in a debilitating position in Cancer since October 2024, caused challenges for many, especially in matters of finances, decision making, and emotional stability. But now, Mars is moving into Gemini, opening up opportunities and creating a golden period for the next 72 days. In today's video, we'll discuss Mars in detail, its positive and negative effects, and how this transition can bring long awaited success and financial improvements in your life. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Mars, often referred to as the planet of action, courage, and determination, has several positive qualities that can significantly impact your life when placed well in your birth chart. Mars fills individuals with fearlessness and the ability to take risks. It gives you the strength to face challenges head on without hesitation. A strong Mars ensures swift yet calculated decision making, which is especially beneficial in high pressure situations. People with a strong Mars often excel in fields like the military, navy, air force, police, and emergency services. Mars rules professions requiring physical strength, discipline, and leadership. It governs physical activity and competition, making athletes, sportspersons, and martial artists shine. Surgeons and doctors can harness Mars's precision and courage, leading to success in medical fields requiring bold and quick decisions. Mars has the power to provide unexpected wealth, whether through inheritance, real estate, or successful ventures. Mars brings out the inner adventurer, encouraging travel, exploration, and new experiences. It empowers you to become a natural leader with the ability to inspire and guide others. When Mars is weak, malefic, or placed in a challenging position, such as its debilitation in Cancer, it can lead to several negative effects. Weak Mars may lead to unexpected financial setbacks and impulsive expenditures, destabilizing your financial plans. Instead of making you bold, a malefic Mars can make you overly cautious or fearful, impacting your ability to take action. Mars influences health issues related to blood and inflammation, such as high blood pressure, piles, or other rectal issues. Accidents or injuries due to rash behavior are also possible. Weak Mars can make you rash and impulsive, leading to poor decision making and regrets. It can cause uncontrolled anger, frustration, and irritability, straining relationships and creating unnecessary conflicts. Jealousy, possessiveness, and harsh communication, traits of a troubled Mars. This may harm relationships with family, friends, or partners. A weak Mars increases fears or mishaps related to fire, electricity, or sharp objects, requiring extra caution. If Mars isn't supportive, individuals may find it challenging to establish themselves in leadership or demanding professions. For Scorpio natives, when Mars was transiting your ninth house, it brought energy focused on expanding your horizons. You may have felt a strong desire for adventure, learning, spiritual exploration, or travel. Retrograde motion during this phase likely slowed down or created some obstacles in these areas. You might have re-evaluated your beliefs, revisited old travel plans, or encountered philosophical debates that needed to be addressed. There could have been situations where the pursuit of higher learning or travels had to be paused, adjusted, or thought through carefully. For some Scorpios, issues with authority or father figures may have also come to light and needed resolution. Now, as Mars moves into your 8th house in Gemini, your focus turns to deeper, more hidden matters. The 8th house governs areas of transformation, shared resources, the occult, and deep psychological processes. Mars in the 8th house suggests a surge of intense energy regarding personal transformation, powerful connections with others, joint ventures, or matters tied to inheritance and taxes. Retrograde motion here means that some of these transformations may not proceed smoothly. Issues with shared resources could surface, demanding attention. This can also bring a time for deep introspection, as past wounds or unresolved matters may emerge, urging you to face them with courage. Mars in the 8th house offers a great opportunity for deep transformation, particularly through self reflection and facing your fears. Retrograde encourages revisiting old issues of emotional depth, traumas, or unresolved conflicts. It can be a powerful time for personal growth where you address matters that were hidden or buried in your subconscious. This period invites you to shed old patterns and allow for deeper healing. The 8th house also deals with finances shared with others, such as joint accounts, debts, or inheritances. With Mars retrograde, this could be a time to revisit old financial commitments or relationships. You may want to look back at long term financial arrangements and renegotiate or restructure them if necessary. Issues regarding money shared with your partner or family might come under review, and adjusting those relationships could lead to better long term benefits. The 8th house is also known for occult studies and psychic energies. This could be a perfect time to return to practices or ideas related to mysticism, astrology, or the occult. Since Mars retrograde tends to slow things down, it offers an opportunity to deepen your connection with spiritual and esoteric practices. You may gain insights or uncover hidden truths about yourself during this period. Mars in the 8th house brings a focus to transformation at the emotional and psychological level. Retrograde energy allows you to review past experiences that may have left emotional scars. It is an excellent time to revisit therapy or self help practices that can help you heal and transform. Retrograde Mars provides an opportunity to undo unhealthy emotional patterns and remove any psychological obstacles that have held you back. Mars governs passion and sexuality. While in retrograde, it asks you to reflect on the dynamics of intimacy. You may find yourself reevaluating the depth and honesty in your relationships. This transit invites deepening of emotional and physical bonds, encouraging you to rebuild your connection or address problems you might have ignored. Here are some remedies and advices for you. Focus on healing your inner wounds. Meditation or journaling about your past emotional experiences can bring much needed catharsis during this time. Engage in practices that allow you to confront and release negative emotions so you can enter a new phase of emotional clarity. Take time to audit any shared financial resources such as joint accounts, investments, or loans. It's a great period to revisit financial agreements with your partner or family. Assess where things stand financially and make adjustments as necessary to avoid stress down the road. If you have an interest in the occult, astrology, or any kind of spiritual study, Mars in retrograde provides an ideal time to go deeper into these pursuits. Reconnect with a spiritual teacher, revisit studies you left behind, or explore new spiritual practices that you had previously ignored. Utilize this period to understand what emotional baggage you carry and consider ways of releasing it. Attend therapy, talk with someone you trust, or do inner work like journaling to process and clear negative emotions. Mars retrograde encourages you to slow down in your intimate relationships, reevaluate the passion in your connections, fix unresolved tensions, and clear any misunderstandings. This can help lead to a new understanding or intimacy in these relationships. As Mars moves from your ninth house of travel and higher learning into your eighth house of transformation, intimacy, and shared resources, there is a powerful invitation to dive deep into personal growth. This retrograde phase asks you to revisit, reassess, and heal past wounds while engaging in reflective practices to allow your transformation to unfold in a slow but meaningful manner. Don't forget, if you'd like a more personal look at your chart or need guidance on navigating Mars's retrograde, you can reach out to us via WhatsApp for a session. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe to Sitaruka Safar for more insights. We'll be back soon to guide you further on your astrological journey.